Will the market go up or down? Should you lock in or float? Find out this and more with Master of the Markets, hosted by Barry Habib of MBS Highway. Brought to you by Paramount Residential Mortgage Group.
In today's mortgage environment, providing our wholesale community with the best combination of product, pricing, technology, and service is paramount to their success. PRMG, built by originators for originators.
Welcome to another edition of Master of the Markets. I'm Barry Habib at MBS Highway. This is created exclusively for NMP TV, and it's brought to you by our friends at PRMG, who are working for your best interest. Boy, we do have some interesting data coming out this week on the inflation front via the Producer Price Index report, and the PPI will be something that could drive the markets. Now, mortgage bonds at a very critical juncture, so is the 10-year Treasury, battling that 0.78 ceiling we've talked about. You know that last week it touched that level every single day, trying to hold the line there. We break above it, it's going to go to about 0.92, so please be on guard with your business. And also, by now, probably all that stupid adverse market fee should be reflected in pricing, so you can kind of look at your decisions more on a normalized basis as opposed to trying to judge how the market's doing versus, well, this fee has been either priced in or hasn't been priced in. So even if the market did better, your pricing on a refi could have gotten worse. So I know it was confusing and giving you some heartburn there, but at least it'll be more normal, although the fee, quite frankly, it's awful. Now, when we take a look at what this could mean for us if the inflation number comes out hotter than expected, and we've been talking about the fact that, remember, demand's coming back but supply's not there to meet it. Well, this could be something that leads us to a period of time where interest rates are a bit elevated. Now, how crazy are they going to get? They're not going to get that crazy, okay? But you're not going to see 6% rates probably ever in your lifetime. But even if it, get this, you know, if mortgage rates went to 3.75%, that 80% of refinance business would be gone. That's right, you heard it right, 80% of refinance business. Why is that? Because transactions, mortgages that are out there with an interest rate right now below 4.5% represents over 70% of the transactions out there right now. Isn't that staggering? And every single day, that number is getting bigger and bigger because every loan you're doing that is a refinance, and you're doing tons of them, you're converting somebody over 4.5%. So it can be a bit of a challenge for us, which is why you have to do things like understand debt consolidation to bulletproof your business, do social media, and, which by the way, both of those, we give you all the keys for in MBS Highway. So if you're not doing that, you're crazy to not bulletproof your business. And also you want to be a certified mortgage advisor. And just go to becomecma.com and you will be able to change your life and the lives of your customers by doing so. Now, last week, a couple of interesting things did happen. You know, the Fed did come out, and the Fed said that while their official statement was we're going to keep rates low to 2023, there was some dissension amongst Fed members who did not agree in the minutes. Now, even though the Fed says they're going to keep rates low, it doesn't mean, we talked about this last week, that mortgage rates stay low. On a couple of occasions, when the Fed was at zero during the past cycle, mortgage rates went up significantly. Please show your customers that and explain to them that that can happen. Now, last week, we also got some news with regards to housing via the mortgage application report, and it did show that mortgage applications fell on the purchase side 2%. So funny, Diana Olick made this whole big stink about it, but 2% variances can happen. We're still up over 20% on a year-over-year basis, and the purchase market will remain hot, team. Now, listen, remember, watch that 0.78 on the 10-year. That'll be a big one this week. Watch that inflation news that comes out, and get your certification, get your designation, be above your competition. And if you're not on MBS Highway, there's no better time to do it. Hope you guys have a great one. Talk to you next week. Bye-bye.
PRMG continues to provide our wholesale partners across the nation with better technology, better product, better pricing, and better service. Our nationally recognized brand is more than just an image. It is a symbol of integrity. PRMG, built by originators for originators. Be sure to click on the link below for your free 30-day MBS Highway trial.